Francisco. What's the ferry building?
That's it. Yeah, I agree.
The ferry building right there?
Nice, good job. Carrie, can you say your Mike Wazowski line again? I don't know if it'll be as funny this time, but...
What do you mean by line? Oh, I asked, I said it looks like Mike Wazowski would be here. But I was thinking of the penguins from Madagascar, and that is not their name. That's Kowalski.
Really entertaining.
It's so funny that they don't have necks.
Nice weather.
Sarah, you have to film when we get our ice cream.
Okay. She's beautiful. What is this, Carrie?
It's coffee ice cream with peach barf.
Nice.
We got butter cookie with snickerdoodle and then some brittle ice cream.
That day. Carrie.
Hello. Hello.
Man, this is good.